3788 April 2026 update. Why this happens after every GTA Vi update, script hook V breaks, because it depends on the game version. New update v3788, supported version yet. Result, critical error plus crash. 100% working fix methods. Method 1, update script hook V best fix. 1, go to official site, dev, Alexander Blade 2. Download latest version 2, replace files in GTA 5 folder, dinput8.dll, script hook v.dll. If updated version is released, problem solved instantly. Method 2, downgrade GTA 5, works always. If script hook V is not updated yet, steps 1, use a GTA 5 downgrade tool. 2, roll back to previous supported version, e.g. v3724 or older. 3, launch game, mods will work again. This is the fastest guaranteed fix. Method 3, remove mods temporarily. If you just want to play, 1, go to GTA 5 directory. 2, remove dinput8.dll, mods folder, optional. Game will run without mods, no crash. Method 4, verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher, verify integrity, fixes corrupted files after update. Method 5, disable auto updates, important. To avoid future issues, turn off auto update in Steam, Rockstar Games Launcher. Common mistakes, using old script hook V, mixing old mods with new game version, not backing up game files, updating GTA 5 automatically. Pro tip, modders know this. Always keep 1 clean updated version, 1 downgraded mod version. This saves you every update cycle. Quick summary. Update script hook V easiest, downgrade GTA V guaranteed, remove mods, temporary fix. If you want, I can turn this into a high retention